so bana ba gole ba sena papa ka te papa bone ne le tsotsi se tsotsi mara ba tlo bolewa yalo o re ka papa ga ke sala tsena tronkong a tshwa ga ena le pantiti mana ke o boleilwa sa itse le una mela bene ha itse le una mela bene mara ke lo enda pila a fisitswe ka tronko gore na o tsene bjang I don't know. But justice anything ke tla no right ke tla heal no never ke heal never ke heal ke sa khone o bona gona case ya ngwana ke e tswelela yang a ke bone na o iralang ka case ya ngwana ke the entertain tlona eng ha ke itse ke ipotsa ke ka ga ba ke liwana cause ke ile go bona ka bula case ya ke seponiseng ke butsi case ntse ke batlana le ngwana ke mo kreile eng le skeleton na ke le sapo sa tlhotse le motho this thing ke wound never fall amon never fall until ke kwa gona o iretseng ka ngwana ke gone ke tla no right no never.
When we hear the names Thabo Bester and Dr. Nandipha Makudumana, we think of scandal, deception, and betrayal. A man who faked his own death to escape prison. A respected doctor who abandoned her career and family for a fugitive. These are not just characters from a movie, guys. They are real people entangled in one of South Africa's most shocking stories that do not end. This case is not ending for me. Hi family, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. How are you doing? I'm not okay. Listen, before ubone ubuhle buka Thabo Bester, before abengu ride or die wako, before ubone live beds zincomelana pha court, although esitho Nandipha bana he was kidnapped by uThabo Bester, kodwa kuyanconyelwana pha court. Please consider that people died. Life insurances were claimed. I see Nandipha now looking ingathi inkukhu umntakaba wegalelwe amanzi uyencwinincwiniza inkulu into ezenziwe ngelamfasi. Lest we forget, guys. Lest we forget. These people don't appear as though they are remorseful for any of the crimes that they have committed. Instead, they are committed to fighting for Andia's justice they think by deserve up. Akonde wiki ngathi ngamacherik. Now you guys are lasting over Thabo Bester that the horrible things that you guys are saying, that you would have just given it to him. All of it. Like, what do you mean? You guys are saying that you don't blame Nandipha. Like, what do you mean? Umzali is crying, guys. A mother is crying for her son that was burnt in jail. Let that sink in. And just the other day, Nandipha's father, apparently he cannot afford a lawyer and legal aid had rejected his application. So sitin getin.
We applied illegal aid representative. Uba ndingenamali awuba ibuye iphendule usithi isicelo sami asiphumeleli ndaxaba kanjani kuba kaloku kufuneka uya kwi-legal aid representation ngenxa yokuba imali kungenayo.
Kangayicinga into yobana he might need a lawyer in the future. Kangayicinga into loo nto leyo. Even nontombi yakhe kangayicinga loo nto leyo uba utata udinga ilawyer. Because bona banayo ilawyer, uBest unayo ilawyer, noNandipha unayo ilawyer. And then udade bamshiya ngaphandle for ntoni. Guys, masingabi weak, masingalibali uba abantu benze ntoni. Please, khanyekeni ube ni-comment into ezi-cute. Siyalwa ngoku. And we are standing in solidarity with those families that are in pain, that were inflicted by all of them. Okay, ndindodwa, guys. Let me know. Let me know on the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Love you. Bye.